The future of electric SUVs is here. Presenting the 2025 Hyundai Creta EV, a car that blends futuristic technology with Hyundai's trusted comfort. Step inside, and you are immediately welcomed by a premium and ultra-modern cabin. The dashboard layout is clean, elegant, and fully digital. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen dominates the center, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster that looks futuristic and crisp. Soft touch materials are used generously, enhancing the premium feel. The steering wheel is inspired by Hyundai's Ioniq series, featuring a two-spoke design with touch controls. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, giving it a luxury EV vibe, especially at night. The center console features a floating design with touch-sensitive climate controls and wireless charging. The gear lever has been replaced by drive selector buttons, providing more space and a modern look. Seats are finished in eco-friendly leatherette, offering excellent cushioning and support. Rear seats come with dedicated AC vents, USB-C charging ports, and comfortable legroom that suits Indian families perfectly. Panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, 8-speaker premium Bose sound system, and LEVEL2 ADAS features like lane assist and adaptive cruise control further elevate the experience. This is not just an EV. This is the future of Hyundai's best-selling SUV, now electric, modern, and made for India. What do you think? Will the Creta EV rule the Indian roads? Comment your views.